Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do another video for you today, and it is changing the camber bolts on my 2011 Audi Q5 as a diesel. The premise of this channel was always started because, probably down to cost really, the amount that it costs to maintain these cars. My car's done 155,000 miles, as it says diesel. I've had it from about 89,000 for 5 years. A number of the jobs that I've had to do on it have been pretty simple, to be fair, which I've later on found out after paying mechanics. But as the car gets to its later years and later mileage, I've decided, it's not viable for me to keep spending money on repairs and that sort of thing. And if there is things I can do to maintain the vehicle and keep it running, then so be it. So I went to get my car four-wheel alignment done the other day. Turns out the camber bolts are rusted, so here they are. Ordered them directly from Audi themselves. £40.50 for 2 of these. That also comes with 2 nuts and washers as well, the adjustment washers. Was like getting some tyres done the other day. I just asked the garage, I was like, how much would it be for you to change those bolts? And that's just the labour. I've already got the bolts. £250. So yeah, this is why we're here. This is why I'm here, and hopefully this is why you guys are here. I'm here to help anyone. I may ask for help from people from time to time, but yeah, let me I'm going to go underneath the car and show you what the situation is at the moment, and then the plan is to get the bolts changed shortly and then get the 4-wheel alignment done on the car. So back in a minute. Hi everyone, I'm back inside in the warmth. Thank you for sticking around. I just wanted to give you a summary of the job as a whole, because we didn't get the best camera angles or the best footage today. It was cold outside. Was eager to get the work done and get inside. Anyway, let's get into it. So the parts we bought from Audi, I bought the 2 bolts, the 2 adjustment washers, and the 2 nuts. They cost £40, 44 pence. Expensive, yes, but you're dealing with an Audi here, so yeah, parts are never going to be that cheap. I'll put the part numbers in the description so you can look at that at the end of the video. Let's summarize the work. So jacked the car up, started with the passenger side, took the wheel off. We did take a measurement of the camber that it was set to. I'm not sure what that is meant to be for my vehicle. You can usually find this information in a workshop manual or probably online somewhere. I wasn't too worried about this because I'm having a car alignment or vehicle alignment done at a garage this week, so I wasn't too worried. Passenger side came out pretty easy, really. We got a 19mm socket on the bolt. That came out, yeah, not too much of a problem there. Took the washer off, took the nut off, and replaced it with a new one. Put it back on, easy. The driver's side, however, was a little bit more difficult, so we did have to put some WD-40 on. You might have seen that in the video. Had to knock through with a mallet. That took a while, but yeah, to kind of be a little bit gentle because I didn't want to bang any of the other components on the car. But yeah, once we knocked that through and then used another bolt just to push it through when it got as far as I could get it, it came out pretty easy. So I find that a lot with this car because you're driving around in dirt, and when the winter comes, there's salt on the road and things like that. Things do seize up, and there's rust. So yeah, not ideal, but this is one of the easier jobs I've undertaken. Yeah, it was just a simple case of putting the bolts back in. We had to line up the hole, so I had to move the arm, the control arm around a little bit. But yeah, once we'd lined up the hole, we'll just put the bolt back in, put the adjustment washer in, and made sure we'd set the camber to what we'd measured at the start. Tightened everything back up, put the wheel back on, and it was done. So yeah, I'll put all the information in the description. Please like the video if you did like it indeed, and if you have any comments, please make any comments. Thank you. Keep watching the channel. I'm going to be doing a few more jobs on this car soon, especially when it warms up, because I've got a few things that need doing. But yeah, thank you.